Another day, another SoLit finds na naman ang hatid namin sa inyo, ka-DealKada. Narito na ang mga everyday must-haves na dapat meron ka. Maging all-day fresh and irresistible with fresh Scentlab Irresistible Rose. Smell like fresh romantic rose that can last up to 16 hours. Get this for only 289 pesos. Feel cool and clean with Umbro Body Wash Ice. Ito na ang body wash na long-lasting, moisturizes your skin, and can make you effortlessly fresh. Maging cool for only 199 pesos. Di ka lang dapat basta pogi. Dapat mabango ka din. Try Umbro Deo Spray Ice. Ang Deo Body Spray with fast dry formula. Hindi mahal maging cool and clean dahil you can get this for only 249 pesos. Keep your breath cool and minty with fresh Antibac breath mist. In just 10 seconds, instant fresh breath ang makukuha mo with just 2 pumps. From 199 pesos, makukuha mo na lang to for just 179 pesos. Get mo na to! Feeling icky? Isang pahid lang ng fresh K-Aloe body wipes, siguradong feeling icy and refreshed ka na. Perfect sa init at pawis dahil may advanced cooling at deodorizing features to. Grab it for just 139 pesos. Galing sa Aura, apply this fresh collagen makeup cleansing balm for instant relief. This clears away dirt, sunscreen, and even waterproof makeup in just a few swipes. Clean skin starts at 259 pesos only, kaya get mo na! Have control over stray hairs with fresh Hairlab Hair Gel Mascara. I-apply mo lang sa baby hairs, flyaways at bangs and style it away. Pwedeng-pwede rin sa eyebrows at lashes mo. Be very classy and demure for 199 pesos only. Huwag mahiyang mag-open arms with Mink Spitsitivity Rad Pit Serum and Rad Pit's Deo Spray. This bundle can brighten underarms and keep perspiration and body odor at bay. From 948 pesos, get this bundle for only 711 pesos. Your new holy grail is here, Lana pH Hydrate and Luminate Elixir. This helps heal acne, minimize skin redness, and lighten pimple marks. Safe, gentle, and cruelty-free pa. Ang dating 1,099 pesos, makukuha mo na lang for only 824 pesos. Check out na!